Welcome to the Abundance Economic Network. We're going to present today the Economic Empowerment Grid Opportunity. The core leader for this project is Bishop Johnny Amos. He's the founder and senior pastor of Shiloh Christian Center in Columbus, Ohio. He was featured in a movie called Not in Vain, which was talking about the opioid crisis in America. He's the AEN Fellowship Alliance Minister, and he's the team leader who oversees the economic empowerment grids. What we're going to answer today for you is, number one, what is an economic empowerment grid? Number two, how will it benefit your church and community? And how do you get involved? There are many more EEG details that are available in a 25-page PDF on our website on the discounts page, which will provide a full information. Our job and goal is to help you dream big, but do even bigger. The biblical basis of the EEGs is in Nehemiah 4, where the walls had fallen down and Jerusalem was defenseless. Nehemiah broke the wall project into sections to begin the repair work. Faith without works is dead in James 2:14, and we're rewarded for helping people in Revelations 22, verse 12. The church must rise up and become an economic influencer and help people out of debt and into kingdom solutions and freedom, and that's what is the results of the EEG. Together, we can make a difference in our cities. Across the U.S., 35% of Americans have debt in collections, meaning they are more than 180 days past due at a median amount of $1,847. With just $250 to $749 in savings, families are less likely to be evicted or to miss a housing or utility payment. These delinquencies could lead to negative entries on a credit report. Our solution is an expense membership. Our goal is to move the hopeless to hopeful. 78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. And what we have found in AEN is our bills can pay us. We can give people hope for their future once again with AEN, and that's what we can do in the economic empowerment grids. What is the Abundance Economic Network? Well, briefly, Abundance Economic Network, we call it AEN, is a kingdom technology company that is empowering churches throughout the city where economic inequality is most prevalent to form neighborhood sections, like the Nehemiah Wall sections, and they're called Economic Empowerment Grids, or we refer to them as EEGs. These 5 grids, east, west, central, north, and south, will be connected to one citadel, storehouse, or church in each of these 5 grids. What's in the economic empowerment grid? Well, most grids are typically comprised of either a 2x2 or 4x4 mile square or a zip code section. It is comprised of all the churches there, local businesses, hospitals, urgent care, schools, neighbors, community groups, first responders, and safety officers. What do we do? Like Nehemiah 4, the EEGs will bring churches and the people together to build and replace economic illiteracy with a strong economic foundation. We have a technology system that will allow EEGs to galvanize resources together and multiply incomes and improve the lives of individuals and families in our communities up to 30%. This strong economic wall will transform the city and save many people from economic failure. Our vision is to give people kingdom-based hope and real-life help. We are not in the community to seize power, but to empower people, businesses, schools, hospitals, and churches to be economically, relationally, and spiritually vibrant. Our target cities come from the 50 worst cities in America to live in. This 2018 study was conducted by 24/7 Wall Street, and they used U.S. Census data on the roughly 600 cities that had populations of more than 50,000 in 2016, which was the most recent year available. Each city was given a rating based on 9 categories, including crime, demographics, economy, education, and housing. This is how you can set up an AEN EEG. Step 1, talk with your board, get their buy-in. Share what's in it for your church. Show them this video. Set up your credit union account at the designated AEN credit union. Your church or leader opens an account at that credit union. If needed, you can apply for the sponsorship endowment. Again, many more. All these details are spelled out for you in the PDF on our website. Number 2 is you're going to determine your boundaries. Walk the area with your team. Step 3, begin connecting with local civic and community groups. Share and explain your plans to empower people in your community with the economic help they need. Step 4, schedule and market a meeting to explain your economic empowerment assistance, i.e. AEN, which makes your bills pay you. We provide everything you need for these meetings. Step 5, your church or an organization joins AEN as a charter venture group. You're going to receive an invitation code from AEN which allows you to invite new members, and your church or organization can earn a $30 per person rebate. Step 6, hold your meeting and sign people up under your church's invitation code and receive that $30 rebate for each person who joins. Step 7, schedule and hold a financial literacy program for people who are currently unable to join a credit union. How does it work? Well, in Level 1, what AEN will provide for free is that all expense members receive monthly mind-transforming learning on finances and the whole person. We also provide training videos to explain what AEN is, how it works, and how they can join. Also in Level 1 for free, we'll provide Missional Food Pantry program, including all the training materials and instructional manuals, and will help you get started. And number 4, we have a financial literacy training, and that's again for those now not qualified currently to join the credit union. In Level 2, when an EEG has 350 expense members, keep in mind we'll show you exactly how to do that, we will provide an overnight rebated community patrol 4 nights a week. The goal is to reduce drugs and crime in each EEG, and this is a proven program. In Level 3, when you have 700 expense members, you will be able to have 2 chaplains or intercessors who will be trained and provided by AEN to intercede for and be chaplains for your entire EEG and your community. These people are the hands and feet of Jesus in your community. In Level 4, when the 5 EEGs in your entire city have 20,000 combined expense members, one of the city's EEG pastors will be selected to serve on Bishop Amos's EEG Advisory Council. Number 2, your city will be eligible to host a citywide AEN half-day conference with speakers that your people can attend for free. And number 3, the Human Trafficking Community Initiative will be launched to eliminate HT in your city by gaining buy-in of key stakeholders and providing cutting-edge e-learning, and they will also create a human trafficking victim protocol. And number 4, we will provide addiction recovery service with proven faith-based solutions. What are we doing? Wow, we're dreaming big, we're setting goals, and we're taking action. By helping others, we help ourselves. We are changing the world one city at a time. We are looking for world changers and His story makers to join us. How about you? Do you want to be a world changer? You can find again much more information at aensharemybills.com. The recommended next steps for you to learn more is on YouTube. We have the Discounts Expense Membership video, which is 17 minutes long. You can watch the Church Venture Charter Group video, which is 13 minutes. If you're a new market for AEN, watch the Campaign Membership Drive, which will help bring people into AEN for you. And then read the Economic Empowerment Grid and the Church Case Studies PDFs. Again, all of those are available on our website. You know, we have a lot of people that say, wow, that seems like an impossible mountain, but we know that nothing will be impossible for you according to Matthew 17:20. We hope that you will allow AEN to help you move the seemingly impossible mountains in your city because with God, all things are possible.